Okay, this is 7 Elgin Place on the Dunedin Causeway, and I've got the camera in the wall cleanout closest to unit 110, and I've run it all the way through the main line under the building. You can actually see where I've got my jetter head. That's what you're looking at sticking down in the cleanout. So we're going to inspect the line. This is after jet, and make sure all the debris is gone. So it's holding just a little teeny bit of water in here, but the camera head itself is extremely small. It probably doesn't even sit up a 1/4 inch on the bottom of the pipe.
Oh, okay.
All right, so I'm pulling out of the wall clean out, and then this is a 5-gallon bucket. This is how much debris was in the pipe.
Okay, good.
So all that's on video. It's John with I5 Leaks. Thanks for watching.